You use the US dollar every day, even if you don't live in the United States. Oil is priced in dollars. Global trade runs on dollars. International debt is paid in dollars. But why does one national currency still dominate the entire global economy? In this video, we explain why the US dollar still rules the world, how it gained this power, and why no other currency has managed to replace it, at least not yet. Welcome to Global Analysis Point. Let's start with the basics. After World War II, the United States emerged as the strongest economy on Earth. Its industry was intact, its financial system was stable, and it held most of the world's gold reserves. In 1944, global leaders agreed on a new financial system called Bretton Woods. Currencies would be linked to the US dollar, and the dollar itself was linked to gold. This made the dollar the foundation of global finance. Even after the gold link was removed in the 1970s, the dollar did not lose its power. Why? Because global trade depends on trust, stability, and liquidity. The US dollar is accepted everywhere. It can be exchanged instantly, and it is backed by the world's largest financial markets. But there is another factor often ignored: geopolitics. The dollar is backed by the unmatched power of the US military. The United States Navy protects the main global trade routes. For many countries, holding dollars and buying US debt is partly a way to pay for security and political alignment. Most commodities are priced in dollars: oil, gas, food, metals. International loans are issued in dollars. Central banks hold dollar reserves. Global companies use the dollar to reduce risk. Another key reason is financial infrastructure. Global banking systems, payment networks like SWIFT, and investment markets are built around the US dollar. US financial markets are deep and liquid. Investors trust American institutions. They trust US law, and they trust enforcement mechanisms. This creates what economists call a safe haven effect. When there is a global crisis or a war, investors do not sell the dollar. They buy it. Even if the crisis started in the United States, money flows back to the dollar for safety. This unique status makes it incredibly resilient. This creates a feedback loop. The more the dollar is used, the harder it becomes to replace. Many have tried to challenge the dollar. The euro lacks political unity. China's currency is tightly controlled by the state, restricting capital flows. Digital currencies lack stability and trust. To replace the dollar, a currency must be global, open, stable, and backed by strong institutions. So far, no alternative meets all these conditions. This does not mean the dollar will rule forever. Over time, the global system may become more fragmented, more regional trade, more alternative currencies, less dependence on a single financial center. But for now, the US dollar remains the backbone of the global economy. If you want calm, clear explanations of global events, geopolitics, and the global economy, subscribe to Global Analysis Point. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next analysis.